Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Install Nugget, sign in, and grant mic/camera access so captures work. Once done, connect your calendar and cloud storage to pull meetings and files automatically, which saves time later. Make sure your network is stable. Unstable Wi-Fi causes dropped clips. Now open the app and tap New Nugget to begin recording or importing a meeting. This first action seeds your project and creates the workspace where you'll shape highlights. Now focus on capturing and refining. Record live or import a meeting and mark important moments with timestamps so you can find them fast. Use Nugget's auto-summarize to generate suggested clips, then manually trim start and end points for clarity. This ensures each nugget is tight and useful. Add tags, label speakers, and type concise captions so teammates can scan content quickly. Once clips are shaped, preview them in sequence to confirm flow and context before exporting. Finish by exporting and distributing your nuggets. Choose MP4, GIF, or a shareable link, set quality and length, then pick recipients or channels and adjust permissions. This controls who sees what and for how long. Once shared, monitor views or feedback to iterate. If something goes wrong, uploads fail, or links don't play, try root-loading on a wired connection. Clear the app cache, and confirm storage permissions. Doing so resolves most problems quickly, so your team can access the highlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.